Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your name on Flipgrid. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started by clicking open a web browser and in the search box type in Flipgrid.com. Firstly, Antonia Cuboid and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged into Flipgrid, in order to edit your name, go and click on the emoji icon at the top right, click on the profile option from the expanded menu. Now under account settings, you'll be able to see a profile tab. Go to the first name text box and simply erase your current name and type in the new name that you'd like to use. You can also change your last name if you wish. After you're done, click on Update Profile and you'll be able to see that your name has been changed. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback thread, I'll send me back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.